Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to transfer ownership of a Trello board. So let's get started. First off, open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board of which you want to transfer ownership. This is the starting point for our process. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into the right account and on the correct board to avoid any mishaps. Next up, click on the Show Menu button on the right-hand side. Then hit More and select Settings. The reason we do this is to access more advanced settings of the board where you can manage permissions and membership roles. Now, under the Settings menu, click on Members. This will display a list of the current members of the board. This helps us because it allows us to select the new owner from the existing members. Next, find the member you want to make the new owner. Click on their profile and select Change Permissions. From the drop-down menu, select Make this user the board owner. This is an important step because it's where we officially assign the new ownership role to the selected member. Finally, a confirmation window will pop up. Click Yes to confirm the change. Let me explain why this matters. Trello includes this confirmation step to avoid accidental ownership transfers. It's a safety measure to ensure you're fully aware of the change you're about to make. Now that we've done that, the new owner will receive a notification about the change in ownership. Remember, once you transfer ownership, you cannot revert the changes without the new owner's consent. And there you have it. We've successfully transferred ownership of a Trello board. As you can see, it's a fairly straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy organizing with Trello.